all what I got from Bros. First of all, my favorite browner with a skin. My friend got this, so we finished the mega quest, which you need 100 trophies. I finished it too.
For
Fourth,
my,
my
one
one
friend
friend.
has unlocked this skin.
Oh, nah, it's introducing him. Shout out.
I have 56 browners and two hypercharge and one level 11. One hypercharge for Macy and more just have hypercharge
And
buffies
hyper buffies.
and level 9 buffies. I can buy one too. Yay! Look at this infinite aura.
Nah, he adora. What is that? What do you get?
Yes! Yeah! Ha, surely I'm not expect to.
That's all from our video today. That's 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here we go. Goodbye.
And I
Wait.
have this 660 to 3,000.
Don't forget, this is the only day one of the Steam Fall.
And don't forget, Dogger, you can only level 1 him. If you max level him,
You're dead.
cook. One day, friend, my friend, um, my enemy use Hyper Dog, and he defeat again. What? What?
So that's
Stupid.
all from our video today. That's 2 minutes.
Make
And
sure subscribe.